and welcome back everyone. It's Friday afternoon and we are on our way to meet some friends. Once we show you their logo on their motorhome, I'm sure you'll know who they are. Now we were going to book a campsite, but they very kindly said that we could stay on some of their land. So we're on our way up now. Bushcraft Barry is also going to meet us later on. To be honest, this is probably one of the hottest days of the year, isn't it? What are you laughing at?
The sticker's melted off the screen.
What was it?
I'll have to fix that later.
Oh god. Yeah, so today is one of the hottest days of the year. It's an absolute sweltering day. But to be honest, we haven't really got to worry about it that much anymore because we've had the aircon fixed. So it's, even though we're removing greenhouse, it's so much more comfortable. Especially for Rip as well, bless him, with his massive coat on him.
Gonna take his jumper off. Take in the sun.
Yeah.
Sit with some friends and have a good chin wag.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
That's what it's all about.
So that's, we're up here for one night, and then tomorrow night we're off to a concert. Concert. It's some of our famous Welsh singers. So forget Shirley Bassey, forget Tom Jones. We're going to see Goldie Looking Chain. Has anyone heard the Ed Sheeran song Sapphire? Is it a new one?
It is.
Is it new?
I think so.
I've never heard it before. I heard it on the radio two days ago and it's an absolute banger. If you've got a boyfriend or a husband in the house and you need to get some bulbs changed, listen to this song. We've got Bushcraft, the Whip, Mrs. What's Occurring, and Mr. What's Occurring. Told you to recognise him. The famous bar. I've seen that bar in a few videos. Cheers. Cheers, Bob.
Yeah, even if Bond goes round him, he wouldn't back off.
Oh.
Do you get what I mean?
What is that? We've been invited to this lovely spot of land. And now we're just going to enjoy the evening, have a few drinks. Barry's literally just turned up.
Oh. Well, I thought if it wasn't for Sam... giving you another 5 minutes, then we shut the gate. Yeah. What do you think, Barry? I'm off shorts.
I'm off shorts.
Oh, I got you. And then it lifts up.
What's this for breakfast?
I always do this. Gotta have coffee.
You wait to see what we're going to do for breakfast. Fair play, that's a good table, that, Barry. Piece of ply. What's that, from your sofa? Them 2 legs?
From work.
From your, that's from your sofa?
Yes, come on. She's like that now.
Literally off your sofa. This is what you need?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I like that.
Perfect.
Nice little cozy touch.
If I could do our bus again, I would do that wood roofing as well.
Yeah, but there might be a time when we do the bus again because I've just seen Rian's wardrobe and I was like, oh, now then, James, Philip.
Yeah, the roof.
Yeah.
This is,
There's
nice.
storage as well, and little curtains, look.
You've seen the sink?
Yeah, come in.
One induction hall, fridge freezer.
Nice.
Oh, don't know, you give me ideas. James?
And yeah, but the whole point of us having this was because I had a BMW and the motorhome didn't work one year. It broke down when we were going on 2 weeks holiday.
Oh.
So I said to David, why don't I just swap my car and stay in the tent?
Oh wow! Oh, wow. He's cool!
Forget your van, look at my teddy. Hide in the van somewhere. Hide in the van. Clip it somewhere.
Oh, can I have one as well then?
We got loads.
I am the first person to have this as a key ring.
You are.
Yeah.
You are the first person.
Thank you very much.
Made in house as well.
Yeah.
Go on, let's have a tour of the beast.
Yeah. Oh, no.
I thought you said he wasn't drinking.
Let me get some...
Right, before you go, come here, mate.
No!
You're complaining there.
You're off.
Come here.
You fucking header. Complaining.
Oh, I'm not having a drink. Anyone want
No, I don't.
Nobody's having a drink to me. I'm going home. I'm going to sit in my 8-kilowatt van. You're on. I'm not a sauna now.
It's Friday night, so look out, it's 70s music night.
Well,
What is this? It's yours. That's what it is. It's yours.
Why are you hiding? Come on.
I haven't had no food yet.
You don't need food the size of you.
Hey.
Holy shite.
Look at this monster. First of all, look at the bar.
That's a class. So we got. What is that? Spiced rum.
Spice rum, JD, gin, and
Oh, brandy! Oh, don't tell him!
No, you won't want human being more.
this is how the other half live.
And that comes up and
Look at this.
down.
Yeah. Look how far, like it drops down. So them seats drop down then into
Yeah.
the. Looks like that dash.
Yeah.
This is the kit.
I-
Bring your tandoori mixed grill closer to you. Look.
Oh, don't go there. Where's the nearest Indian?
There's a Chippy up the road. Don't worry.
No, I said where's the nearest Indian? For Christ's sake. We're going to do it properly.
TV,
TV.
controller, maybe heating. Yeah,
Fridge,
heating.
freezer.
Fridge. No, that's,
Yeah,
a,
but-
that's a beer fridge.
Yeah, but.
I said
so-
beer
okay.
fridge only. No food allowed.
Kitchen, yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
Now that's.
Oh, only vans
Right, so we.
for your Indians.
What have they got then as a inverter sort of?
Yeah, 3,000 watt inverter, so they've got power all the time.
This is the
We think, girls? How big is this?
But why
One's
do
up.
they have a bed?
Go and sit over there.
The bed's in the back. This is another bed, probably.
Can I see the bed?
You want to see? You want to see the bed?
Because I don't see a bed.
Up there, look. You have to
What?
climb up there
Yeah.
and go in the back bed
You
then.
have to go on there. Look.
You notice the porcelain toilet?
No, we didn't go with. Didn't go through that room.
Oh, just the side open. Carry on. Phil.
Yeah.
Side are open.
That's an actual
Showers in
actual
there.
porcelain toilet.
It's a porcelain flushing toilet.
That's all I could say to that is a dumping style.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, nice. I wish we had one of them. Got an actual roller shutter door.
Got one of them. And then this.
This is the guest bedroom. Whoa. Look at that.
Little bed over
And the
there.
curtains come down with it as well.
Yeah.
That's a cool design, that is.
What I like about these, you know, some of the vans where
Yeah.
you've got the cab, you've got the ladder,
Yeah. No, it comes all the way down. That's a good point. Yeah, one step.
1 foot and you're up. It's my bed. I don't have to listen to him snoring, do I?
Right, we're going to get some food. Can I trust you with the kids?
Of course you can. Right, get some rope.
This is what it's all about. Pulling up in someone's garden and chilling out. That's the benefits of having a bus or a van.
Yeah, David knows quite a few.
But now we're on the way to get a chippy, especially Barry. He turned at 5 minutes, he wanted some food, so we need to line his stomach.
Anyway.
Yep, plenty, yeah. We just had a free chippy. KG's fish and chips. So Rian was noticed in the chippy, and so she had it for free. See the advantages of YouTube. Get free food.
No, it's good, Chippy.
Yeah, that's fair play. We had the leftovers, but Barry would be happy. Barry, food. We got free food, all free. You're like, oh, do you know Di? He was like, yeah. He's like, oh, you can have this for free then.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I'm afraid there was. You had to get what you're given because we were closing.
Oh, what is that?
Where'd you get that from?
It's like
You got it from the van, yeah? Did Rian give you an ice cream?
Yeah. You can have mint or this strawberry one.
Oh my god, you're spoiled.
And up to there has chocolate in it.
You still haven't finished your sausage yet?
all friendly.
He's not.
But you lad. And
Buttyland?
Yeah.
Mind a bit, yeah. Mind a bit, yeah.
by you.
So it's six. Yeah, she's got three. Like a Parma Violet.
Flowery.
Parma Violet.
Yeah, you like that? You love Parma Violet.
Cheers to everyone.
Cheers, everyone.
Oh, sugar. I found that in the brake fluid. It was in the brake fluid container.
What is that? That's lovely.
You like that, do?
Be nice now, Reb.
Me and you are the only people that make sense.
Do you think so?
You know
Not
that.
if we keep drinking this, we won't be.
You know that. You know all the rest of the
Oh,
on the end.
hell.
Daddy.
Cheers, my dear.
Cheers, dearest.
Oh, how nice. Oh, fucking hell.
You gonna sleep well tonight, Barry?
That's lovely, isn't it?
Holy shit, that's rocket fuel, that is.
Think petrol. If any of you guys follow what's occurring, you know that Di's just had an operation on his hip. So for the last 4 weeks he hasn't even touched alcohol. It was a pleasure raising a few glasses with him, but it's time to get revenge on Barry after he's been regularly taking the mick out my hair.
Not close, it's away, away. I will be ready. It's not me doing that, okay? My hand's here.
They had him again. Barry did it.
I was sitting quiet.
Morning. Oh, it was a warm one last night. It was warm. So I woke up, opened up the front door and the back door, get an airflow through. Chantal's having a usual lie-in. And within the sake of half an hour, she's asked me to put breakfast on 10 times. So food is firmly on your mind. Just a breakfast?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe you want sweet.
Breakfast?
Just one.
God. What's this busted into? Sleep alright?
Like a log.
Like a log.
I did.
Do you remember going to bed?
Yep.
Do you remember refusing to drink?
Yep.
He's moving in, he says, for a sleepover. Keep some for yourself as well.
Making a mess out of that.
Tasty West Mind.
Better than McDonald's?
Who needs a McDonald's?
Yeah. Barry's loving the muck whip. Barry's giving Rian a tour of the van.
See? And of course I'll do that then for transport with everything in.
He's proud of it, bless him. So I'm not a believer in induction heaters, especially in vans. You can't beat good old gas. Well, this is where the saying comes, isn't it? Cooking on gas.
Yeah.
So Rian's going to show me how quick it is to boil some water. Oh.
Yeah.
The good thing about these as well is that once you take it off, it goes cold instantly.
Yeah, it's safe in it. Yeah.
It's safer.
No, that's not far from saying the gas, to be honest.
Yeah.
I'm quite impressed.
There we go.
That is alive. Chantal said earlier, I think we've met a match.
Oh yeah, he could outdrink you any day, I think. Any day. Fair play to him, honest to God. Absolute character.
Towards the end of the night, he was talking through one eye. I had to walk him back to the bus as well, walking back to the van.
Oh, it was brilliant.
He managed to get him up the steps, all I heard was Rian like, "Thank you, James."
What's the difference with raining?
Di saving the day.
Nothing, it's good that it rains.
I asked the kid. Don't get it on your
Oh,
dress.
already. Yeah.
Look at the state of your hand.
Sounds
think-
a good time,
I think we need to turn the freezer up just a little bit. It's just a bit too
Pardon?
soft. We've got a bit of a challenge now. Rian and Di have bought new surrounds for their awning. Is there instructions come with it? Oh, so no instructions. Get the old timer on. Ready? Started. Hour and a half. It's not too bad. We had a YouTube video to help us.
Would you do it in 30 minutes? With the two of you? One in,
No.
one out. The clumps was one, so we haven't done the clumps.
You can see why these are called divorce makers. That looks quite good. Makes you want to get one for the bus. Come here! Come here! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Tag! Tag! So on the way up, my little, I don't know, what do you want to call them? My 3D printed brackets come off the screen. A bit too hot.
Okay.
Can we get
I'm an adult now, so I can print whatever I want. Okay? Don't judge. Barry's telling Rian how to look after her grass. He's telling her what weed killer to use and all, and how to kill everything. Normally Barry will just recommend Roundup for everything.
They want to get rid of the tree stumps and all that.
Yeah.
So that's what just ordinary Roundup would do.
Right.
If I'd have known, I could have brought it.
No.
I did say Roundup. I gambled with Roundup.
Yeah, lovely meeting you.
Yes, see you
Been
soon.
great, mate.
Just like, bring it in. Hey, Cuddles here. A good time away.
Lovely to meet you.
Just a hand going out the door.
You too, thank you.
No problem at all.
A bit sticky, I'm afraid.
I know.
We got our own indent.
Yeah.
Oh yes,
We
absolutely.
did pay for it in one way.
Absolutely.
That's it. Yeah, who do we invoice? You or Die?
Die.
The Gallivanting Whip Erection Service.
Looks pretty good.
It looks
though.
good, Die. You chuffed it, ain't you?
Take it down now.
Take it down. Go away, boy. See you, Di. See you, Ian. Been a pleasure. Absolute pleasure. Bye. Oh. What an evening. Thank you, Ian and Di, for having us.
Yes, thank you so much. It was so lovely to meet you both. Really, really nice just to chill out, have a few drinks, have a laugh.
Free food.
Yeah,
Free stopover.
Free stopover.
They're like us. They got their own little spot, like us, but down our field.
Yeah, it is.
That's where they go to chill out, and it's nice to be
Perfect
invited.
little place. A little bonzo, bless him.
Yeah, a little bit. So,
Made,
yeah.
made a new little best friend.
It's nice meeting extra fan friends.
Yes.
Oh, friends!
Oh, friends.
Drop the kids off, and then it's just an adults' night then.
Yeah. So we're going to go over our mate's house, have a barbecue,
Yeah,
free
fancy
drinks,
dress.
fancy dress.
And then guns don't kill people, rappers
Rappers
do.
do.
Cheesy transition time. 1, 2, 3.